the Department of Basic Education is trying by all means to give us or to capacitate us with all relevant information, with all the methods that can assist us. Sekulula ukufunda ngokugeleza umntwana kunjani uyayi-understanda into enjani.
Learning vvop.gov.org.za. You can see that.
This is about isiZulu, the teaching of isiZulu in the foundation phase, starting from grade R to grade 3.
They are not used to high order questions. Yeah, I think that's the challenge that we can mention very example and assessment is.
Okay.
The way formats, so don't worry.